Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. Yesterday we started Unit 4 of our English practice book and we learnt about degrees of comparisons. Yesterday we learned how we form the degrees and we also learned about the use of these degrees of comparison. We also learned about some naughty comparisons, some naughty adjectives which do not follow any rule, and we have to learn them. So let's learn something more about these naughty degrees of comparison and how to use them in sentences. You can open your books on page number 32. Naughty comparisons. There are some naughty comparisons. These words just do not follow any rule. They are good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most, and many more, most. Let's move to the worksheet and see how we shall use these naughty comparisons in the sentences. Worksheet number 3. Rajat and Sonali have won a debate competition. Look at the picture. In the picture we have two children. The boy is Rajat and the girl is Sonali. They have won a debate competition and they are throwing an ice cream party for their friends. Given below is the ice cream card of Dairy Fun by Quality Ice Cream. See it carefully. Look at the picture. There are different kinds of ice creams in the ice cream card, and Rajat and Sonali are thinking about which ice cream to buy for their friends. Now complete the conversation between Rajat and Sonali to decide the ice creams to be selected. Use the naughty comparisons wherever possible. On the next page we have the conversation between Rajat and Sonali, and there are certain blanks which we have to fill by using these naughty comparisons. So let's do this exercise. Rajat says, I just don't believe that we have won. Sonali says, that's the best thing that has happened to us this month. कि रजत सोनाली से कह रहा है कि मुझे तो विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा कि हम जीत गए हैं. देन सोनाली सेज कि ये तो सबसे अच्छी बात हुई है हमारे लिए इस मंथ में. द बेस्ट थिंग. देन रजत सेज द वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट्स was worse than anything else. In this sentence we shall use the comparative degree because we are comparing two things. The wait for the result. रजत कह रहा है कि लेकिन जो रिजल्ट के लिए हमने वेट की that was worse than anything else, कि किसी भी चीज़ से वो वर्स थी. And now for the party, which ice cream would you like? Then he asked Rajat कि Sonali, which ice cream would you like to have? Then Sonali says, I think bricks would be better than cups. In this sentence, जो brick वाली ice cream होती है and the cups ice cream, these two are being compared. So we have used the comparative degree of good, means better. So she says कि I think bricks would be better than cups and they will cost less too. Here also कि उनकी cost भी दूसरी आइसक्रीम्स से कम पड़ेगी और they are also better than other. So we have used the comparative, means second degree of adjective. Next Rajat says, but what about orange bars? All my friends say that sticks are the best. They all enjoy eating them. he says कि what do you think about orange bars, because he says my friends say that the sticks are the best, कि खाने में easy होती हैं stick वाली आइसक्रीम, तो they are the best and they all enjoy eating them. Sonali says I think orange bars are the worst. Worst means सबसे बुरी होती हैं वो तो. They hurt the throat. रजत के फ्रेंड्स कह रहे हैं they are the best, but Sonali says they are the worst. Worst is the superlative degree of bad and best is the superlative degree of good. कि सोनाली को लगता है वो तो गला ख़राब करती हैं, they are the worst. Then Rajat says but we can't leave them out completely. कि हम उनको बिल्कुल तो नहीं छोड़ सकते. We will have less orange bars than cups. कि चलो ठीक है, हम ऑरेंज बार्स कम खरीदेंगे कप्स वाली आइसक्रीम से. Then Sonali says that's all right, but we'll also buy the new ice cream Max biscuit. My best friend says that they have the most wonderful taste one can think of. Okay, she's saying that my best friend says कि जो मैक्स बिस्किट का टेस्ट है दैट इज़ द मोस्ट वंडरफुल, उसका टेस्ट सबसे अच्छा है. देन रजत सेज आई वुड रादर प्रिफर चॉकलेट कॉर्नेटो कोन्स, लेकिन मैं तो चॉकलेट कॉर्नेटो कोन्स लूँगा. देन सोनाली सेज शी इज़ हैप्पी टू हियर, शी सेज आहा दे आर द मोस्ट वांटेड, कि वो तो सभी को पसंद होते हैं, दे आर मोस्ट वांटेड. नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग लाइक माई फ्रेंड, कि अब हमारी चॉइस मैच हो रही है. नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग लाइक माई फ्रेंड. स्टूडेंट्स नोटिस all the words that we have used in these sentences. The blank which has the before the blank, जो भी हमने words use किए हैं और जिस sentence में blank से पहले the है वहाँ हमने superlative degree use की है. And the sentence which has the word the and then, उस वर्ड में हमने, उस सेंटेंस में हमने वी हैव यूज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन मोर रूल टू यूज़ दीज कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज, कि इफ़ वी हैव द बिफोर द ब्लैंक, कि अगर जिस ब्लैंक में हमने डिग्री फिल करनी है उसमें अगर ब्लैंक से पहले द लिखा हुआ है, द आर्टिकल द, देन वी शैल यूज़ द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. दिस वी हैड ऑल्सो डिस्कस इन डिटर्मिनर्स, कि सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जहाँ यूज़ होती है उससे पहले हम डिटर्मिनर आर्टिकल द यूज़ करते हैं. एंड द सेंटेंस विच हैज़ द वर्ड the एंड then, इट मीन्स वी आर कंपेयरिंग टू थिंग्स एंड इन दैट सेंटेंस वी शैल यूज़ द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, मीन्स द सेकेंड डिग्री. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो रूल टू be kept in mind while using these degrees of comparison. Next, exercise number 2. Again we have a picture. Read what an eye doctor is saying to the audience all over the world. Here we have a doctor, an eye doctor, and he is saying to the audience that let us pledge to donate our eyes after death. The person who would get them would be as good as the rest of us. Donating the eyes is not so easy as it seems to be, but someone has to take the first step. In this paragraph, we have one more kind of comparison. We have used two expressions, as good as and not so easy as. Let's see how this one more type of comparison is used in the sentences. Turn to the next page. In the sentences spoken by the doctor, we have used as good as and not so easy as. Remember students, we use as and as to show that two things are similar in some way, and we use not so as and not as and as to show that two things are different in some ways. Sometimes we compare things which are similar in some way. कभी कभी हम कंपेयर करते हैं जो दो चीज़ें एक जैसी हैं, और कभी कभी हम करते हैं जो दो चीज़ें बिल्कुल एक जैसी नहीं हैं. तो फॉर such kind of comparison we use as and as or not so as. Let's see the examples. This house is as small as ours. मीन्स दोनों हाउस सेम हैं कि ये हाउस भी उतना ही छोटा है जितना हमारा. दोनों हाउसेस छोटे हैं, तो दिस in this sentence we have the similarity of size. Next sentence, mathematics is not so easy as science, means mathematics is not as easy as science. In this sentence we are talking about the dissimilarity of being easy, means mathematics उतना आसान नहीं है जितना science. So when we have the similar things we use as, and when the things are not similar then we use not so as or as or as. We shall do some more sentences of such type tomorrow. Now let's move to the next worksheet, worksheet number 4, superlative quiz contest. Get into groups of 4, form a quiz team, read the questions given below, answer them in just 3 minutes. The group which is able to do so first is the winner. We have 8 questions and superlative questions are degrees have been used in these 8 questions. Let's find out the answers. First question is, who is the tallest child in the class? This question we cannot do right now, but we do not know. जब दोबारा क्लास हमारी शुरू होगी तो हम इस सेंटेंस को, इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे. You can leave the first question. Next is question number 2. Which is the fastest airliner in the world? पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे फास्ट चलने वाला प्लेन कौन सा है? Boeing 747-8I. This is the name of that plane which is the fastest in the world. Next is, which animal has the longest tusks? Tusks, yesterday I told you, tusk जो हाथी के बाहर वाले दांत होते हैं, तो लॉन्ग दांत किसके सबसे लंबे होते हैं? एलिफेंट के. तो आंसर इज एलिफेंट. नेक्स्ट इज, विच प्लैनेट इज द नियरेस्ट टू द सन? नियरेस्ट इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ नियर, एंड सबसे ज़्यादा नज़दीक अर्थ के कौन सा प्लैनेट है? द आंसर इज वीनस. नेक्स्ट इज, विच इज़ द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द वर्ल्ड? पूरे वर्ल्ड में सारी बिल्डिंग में से विच इज़ द टॉलेस्ट, सबसे टॉल कौन सी बिल्डिंग है? इट इज़ बुर्ज खलीफा इन दुबई. नेक्स्ट इज, विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑन द इंटरनेट? इंटरनेट में सबसे, विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑन द अर्थ? पूरे वर्ल्ड में, अर्थ में सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट, देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स इन द वर्ल्ड एंड एशिया इज़ द बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट. हमारा इंडिया भी एशिया में ही आता है. सो दिस इज, एशिया इज़ द बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट. विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑन द अर्थ? और अर्थ पे सबसे छोटा कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा है? दैट इज़ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. एंड विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट माउंटेन पीक ऑफ द हिमालयाज? हाइएस्ट माउंटेन पीक एवरीबडी नोज इज़ द माउंट एवरेस्ट. So you can add more questions in this superlative quiz time, like which is the longest river of the world, which is the biggest city of the world, which is the biggest country of the world. So such questions you can add to this superlative quiz. So that's all for today. Rest we shall learn tomorrow, and we shall finish this unit tomorrow. Thanks and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.